Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. What just happened to Pepe here, man? Not only did my technical target get met, but we went way too up, way too high than even expected. And this is super interesting now. So let's remove all the drawings because there is a resistance that has been broken, and you can already see it is this resistance right over there. So if you'll notice, then Pepe used to struggle to break above this particular resistance just right there. Okay, and today we've actually absolutely made it very clear, crystal clear, that Pepe is not in a joke. It's not here to make fun anymore. So the technical target based on the weekly, it goes from there to there, and you want to see Pepe coming up to 2866. That's your pretty much technical target on the weekly. And let's actually check the volume. Now the volume isn't really there, but you can see that this is a one huge green candle. What about the daily time frame? So let's look at the daily and what's going on. So all of a sudden you really pumped and pushed all the way to the upside. Very big, left shoulder, head here, right shoulder coming up there. Bullish pattern, broke above. Now I don't know if we are going to see a retest and then move up like this, but if you do see a retest down to 1740, imagine, until yesterday's video, 1740 was a big deal because that was your technical target. When I told you that if you break the channel, you go back to that channel, and we did that. But the thing is that now that you were finding 1740 as your resistance, ever since you broke above it, now 1740 is your support, right? You flip everything over. So come down to 1740 if you do, of course. If it does come down here, try to take some few trades and entries. You could be looking at yourself to have that one sweet move to the upside, and that's going to be a 62% move up, or maybe just meet the target. Okay, I'm just saying, if you're looking for an entry, maybe just wait for that retest and then move up. But in a bull run, if we are having a mini altcoin season now, gosh, it's so good to know we're having an altcoin season, because my long-term bags, oh man, I always say this in the videos that my long-term bags are looking pretty sweet. And if you end up pushing up like that, because in a bull run sometimes you just don't really care about any retest, and then you just suddenly pump and just keep pumping, just like we did previously back in May 2023. Right over there you can see how big of a pump we had. So yeah, if things go good, we could be looking at 2866 and probably try to make a new all-time high in the future. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you.